That 77 280Z, that thing set me up for life. I'll tell you what. I'm on my 13th Z car right now, for those of you that don't know. My 13th and my last one, my 2019 370Z, is going to be the last Z that I own. I don't want one with technology. That Nissan Connect is not for me. Man. My brakes suck today. My tires suck, my brakes suck. But yeah, I would not own a 280Z today. I think I had that car from age 16 to about age 20. Air conditioning system in a 280Z was horrible. When you slowed down, all the exhaust fumes came in from the back of the car into the cabin. The seals around the tail lights and stuff were just pretty much non-existent. The car was fast though. That inline 6 could gobble up a 5.0 Mustang. They don't have curves in Texas. They probably don't have curves in Texas. They don't have pull-offs, so he's never going to use a pull-off. Oh, he found one. I think today this thing's going to get an oil change, a set of tires. I'm going to replace the brake pads on the rear. Need to adjust the rear brakes. The rear brake pads are off-road brake pads. I was trying to get something a little bit stickier, and they're almost too sticky without any tread on the back of the bike. When I lightly hit the brakes, you can feel the back end locking up. Well, you can't, but I can. A good rider wouldn't use the back brake. Well, I'm not a good rider. I'm not even a mediocre rider. I'm just an old man on a red bike, officer. Please, please, officer, don't take me to jail. I didn't know this bike could go that fast. It was going so fast I couldn't even see the speedometer. I was afraid to look down. Hey, you've got mail. One of the best Z's that I've owned was the 91 300ZX. That's what I have right now, the red one. You've seen it in videos. But that 91 300ZX was great on the highway. Going down the interstate, you didn't feel a bump in the road. Me and my Rottweiler would go for a ride. She'd jump over there in the passenger seat and just sit there, head out the window. Yep, that was a decent car. I missed the dog too. Alright, welcome to North Carolina. You made it. I bet we can count the sport bikes on one hand. A Wednesday. It's Wednesday about noonish. I don't really know what time it is. I can't see the clock. I'll tell you in a second. I'll give you date and time before we get to the store. So it is 12:18 and it is 66 degrees at Deals Gap, North Carolina. 2 VFRs, not really sport bikes, more sport touring. You got all the piece of shit Harleys out in front of the store and the motorcycle parking. Come on, Grandpa.